When the American Bar Association decided to publish the second edition of Leadership for Lawyers, we knew things were changing. Recently, there have been articles on the transformation of law school education. Lawyers need leadership training. In my own practice of litigating for 25 years, I also participated in business law, international law, environmental and energy matters. And from all of those areas, I learned that other professions, whether it was business, psychology, many other fields, when they were getting their MBAs, their masters, and their PhDs, they were being trained in leadership. However, lawyers were not. So when I wrote the second edition of Leadership for Lawyers, it capped 10 years of working to convince the legal profession that leadership training was very useful for all lawyers. So the book, Leadership for Lawyers, talks about some of the challenges that we have in the legal profession. It talks about it from the individual's point of view, the challenges of working with clients who are often difficult, the challenges of working as board of directors of nonprofit organizations, the challenges in litigation, the challenges in negotiation, the challenges in showing a client all of the potential risks of litigation. And so in all of these areas, including being a judge, being a mediator, being an arbitrator, in all of these areas, leadership training is very useful. One of the things that the book includes at the very end is a listing of 90 different styles of leadership. One of the things lawyers know is that you have to use different styles of leadership when you're in different situations. And so one of the things that lawyers often never study is leadership theory. So in just 5 pages, I outline the 10 different theories of leadership. It's very useful for lawyers to understand those theories of leadership, and even better, lawyers will be able to understand how leadership and management go hand in hand. So leadership training is not just for a lawyer to become an individually better lawyer. Leadership training is for senior partners of law firms, members of executive committees, people who are in-house counsel, people who are defense counsel, people who work in nonprofit organizations. So Leadership for Lawyers helps lawyers manage their law firms more effectively and manage their legal organizations more effectively. The book outlines many different ways that lawyers participate in what I call the leadership checklist. These are the activities where we know success comes when you implement these activities successfully. Leadership also includes motivation and enrolling other people. Lawyers work long hours. They perform tedious research, careful analysis. And being able to motivate others is really critical. I hope you'll find my book on Leadership for Lawyers useful to you and every member of your law firm, your legal organization, and members of the bar associations as well could do well by providing continuing legal education for Leadership for Lawyers. Thank you.